Hello and welcome everyone. This is Les Deneman. I'll start the video today with a sentence. Is it correct or wrong? That's the question. I go to shopping every week. I go to shopping every week. Here the sentence is wrong. And it's a common mistake. People think that go is attached to which is not correct. Now let's understand today the difference between go to and go alone. Now, when I talk about go to is for places. I go to school. I go to the mall. I go to the club. But go alone is for activities with ing. I go dancing. I go shopping. I go running. So when you have an activity with ing, don't use to. When you have a place, use to. I hope it was useful. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and stay safe.